English Learning Network.
Simple present tense. Talking about family. Action, preparing meals. My mother cooks dinner every night. My mother cooks dinner every night. Action, engaging in academic work. My sister studies at the university. My sister studies at the university. Action, viewing something, TV, movies. Our family watches a movie together every weekend. Our family watches a movie together every weekend. Action, looking at and understanding written text. My dad reads the newspaper every morning. My dad reads the newspaper every morning. Action, going to see someone. She visits his grandparents twice a month. She visits his grandparents twice a month. Action, moving from one place to another, walking. She always goes for a walk after dinner. She always goes for a walk after dinner. Action, observing a special occasion with festivities. We celebrate birthdays with a big party. We celebrate birthdays with a big party. Action, assisting someone. She helps her brother with his homework. She helps her brother with his homework. Action, participate in a game or sport. My cousin plays the piano beautifully. My cousin plays the piano beautifully. Action, have a conversation with someone. They talk to their relatives over the phone every Sunday. They talk to their relatives over the phone every Sunday. Action, to remove dirt or make a space tidy. We clean the house every Saturday. We clean the house every Saturday. Action, to buy goods or services. My sister shops for groceries on weekends. My sister shops for groceries on weekends. Action, to cook food, especially bread or cakes, in an oven. My grandmother bakes cookies for us every holiday. My grandmother bakes cookies for us every holiday. Action, to grow and take care of plants or flowers. My grandfather gardens in his backyard every morning. My grandfather gardens in his backyard every morning.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching and see you next time.